A Filipino favorite, tender chicken simmered slowly in pineapple and soy sauce. We didn't have brown sugar at the moment, but my daughter grabbed the yellow sugar instead, so I used that. So now give this a good massage. I decided to buy a fresh pineapple for this dish just because the fresh ones are, I find them more sweeter. If you don't have the time to slice and cut the pineapple, fresh ones, just buy the ones in the can. You're only gonna need 1 cup of pineapple chunks for this dish. My coworker gave me these peppers. I don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna use it for color. You can use 1 small red bell pepper. Browning adds so much flavor to your sauce later on. Saute onion until translucent, then add garlic and cook until fragrant. Add the brown chicken pieces and then pour the reserved marinade. Stir, bring it to a simmer, then lower the heat. Cover and cook for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is tender and the sauce thickens. So while I wait, I'll have coffee because I haven't had one this morning. Add pineapple chunks near the end, they'll stay bright and juicy, and then we can toss our red bell pepper for a pop of color. Cook uncovered for another 5 minutes to blend the flavors and reduce the sauce slightly. And that's it, chicken hamonado, sweet and savory. Every bite a taste of home. Let its aroma bring you back to the Philippines.